Now let's try the example together. So let's look at example 1 with your group. Determine the cost for various numbers of pizzas. You can also determine the expression that describes the cost of having P pizzas delivered. Letter A, Pizza Queen has a special offer on lunch pizzas, $4 each. They charge $2 to deliver, regardless of how many pizzas are ordered. Determine the cost for various numbers of pizzas and also determine the expression that describes the cost of having P pizzas delivered. So if we look at this, we have one pizza delivered. First of all, we would have $4 for the pizza, and then the $2 delivery charge. It would cost us $6. If we had two pizzas, remember they're $4 each, so that's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8, and then we add the 2 on the end because there's a delivery charge of $2 no matter how many pizzas. 8 plus 2 is 10. It's going to cost us $10 to get 2 pizzas delivered. 3 pizzas, we would take 3 times $4, and then we would add our $2 to deliver, and we would get a total of $14 cost. Okay. Pause the video and try to figure out the cost of how many for 4 pizzas. For 4 pizzas, we would have 4 times 4 is 16, and then we would add on that $2 delivery charge, and we would have $18 cost. Now let's say we ordered 10 pizzas. It still follows the same pattern, so we would take $4 times 10, that gives us 40, and we would add the 2 on for the delivery charge, meaning it would cost us $42. If we had 50 pizzas delivered, we're going to have to bring a truck to deliver these. If we have 50 pizzas delivered, we would still take $4 per pizza times 50. That would be $200. And then we would add our delivery charge on of $2 for a total price of $202. Now if we have the variable P pizzas, the cost is going to be represented as an algebraic expression. Think about what we did to the pizzas. We took 4 and multiplied it by the number of pizzas, 4P, and then we added the 2 on at the end. So our expression would be 4P plus 2. If we move on to the next question, it says, what mathematical operations did you need to perform to find the final cost? Well, we used multiplication because we multiplied 4 times the number of pizzas, and then we used addition. We added $2 at the end. Now suppose our principal wanted to buy a pizza for everyone in our class. Determine how much this would cost. Now if you're in the classroom, we would count up how many people are sitting at our desks right now, but let's just assume that we have 20 students in our class. We could take that expression, 4P plus 2, which represents how much you're going to pay for any number of pizzas, and we could substitute 20 in for the P. We could make it 4 times 20 plus 2. Substitution. Then we can use correct order of operations. We would multiply first, and then we add. It would cost our principal $82 to buy pizzas for everyone in our class. Now the next question says, and this is on the next page, if the Booster Club had $400 to spend on pizza, what is the greatest number of pizzas they could order? The method that I recommend here is guess and check. Guess and check is a great problem solving. Okay, if we look back at what we had before, we can only spend $400. 50 of them gave us about $200. So what if we doubled that and said 100? What if we substituted 100 into this algebraic expression? we would have 4 times 100 pizzas plus $2. If we use order of operations, we would multiply first, then add, and we would get $402. So if we ordered 100 pizzas, it would cost the Booster Club $402. That's too much. They only have 400. Well, let's just adjust then. Let's lower it down. Let's make it 99 pizzas. And of course, add 2 on there. So 4 times 99 would be, just take these, see. 4 times 99 would be 396 plus the 2. We would add that together. That is the highest amount that they could pay under $400. So that would tell us that they can order at most 99 pizzas. Okay, the last question here, part C. If the pizza price was raised to $5 and the delivery price was raised to $3, create a table that shows the total cost, pizza plus delivery, of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pizzas. And then include the expression that describes the new cost of ordering P pizzas. Pause the video and give this a try, and then turn the video back on to check yourself and see how we did. Well, if we had 1 pizza, we would take $5 times that 1 pizza, that's 5 times 1, and then we would add 3 on for the delivery charge. It would cost $8. 2 pizzas is 5 times 2, that's 10, and then add 3 on for a total charge of $13. 3 pizzas would be 5 times 3, 15. Add 3 for the delivery charge, you'd get $18. 4 pizzas would be 5 times 4, which is 20, and then add 3 for the delivery charge. And 5 pizzas would be 5 times 5, that's 25, and then add $3 for the delivery charge to get $28. Finally, our expression, what we did every time is we multiplied the number of pizzas, so that would mean 5 times P, if P is the number of pizzas, and then we added 3 on for the delivery charge every time.